Setting stop loss and take profit orders on Robinhood is a crucial aspect of risk management and maximizing returns in trading. To begin, log into your Robinhood account and navigate to the stock or asset you wish to set orders for. First, understand what stop loss and take profit orders are. A stop loss order is an instruction to sell an asset when it falls to a certain price, limiting potential losses. A take profit order is an instruction to sell an asset when it reaches a certain price, locking in profits. To set a stop loss order, click on the Trade button and select the stock you want to trade. Then, click on the order type and select Stop Loss. Enter the stop price, which is the price at which you want to sell the asset. The limit price is optional, but it is the minimum price you are willing to accept for the sale. To set a take profit order, follow the same steps, but select take profit instead of stop loss. Enter the limit price, which is the price at which you want to sell the asset to lock in profits. When setting stop loss and take profit orders, consider your risk tolerance and investment goals. A general rule of thumb is to set a stop loss at 5 to 10% below your purchase price and a take profit at 10 to 20% above your purchase price. However, these percentages may vary depending on market conditions and your individual strategy. It is also essential to monitor your orders regularly and adjust them as needed. Market conditions can change rapidly, and your stop loss and take profit orders may need to be adjusted to reflect these changes. In addition, consider using trailing stop loss orders, which automatically adjust the stop price as the asset price moves in your favor. This can help you lock in more profits while minimizing potential losses. By following these steps and considering these key concepts, you can effectively set stop loss and take profit orders on Robinhood, helping you to manage risk and maximize returns in your trading activities.